Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed to 99.5 on Wednesday, its highest level in nearly 2 months, after ADP data showed stronger than expected private sector job growth in May. Earlier JOLTS figures also highlighted resilient labor demand. Meanwhile, rising oil prices and escalating Middle East tensions have increased inflation concerns, with markets now pricing an 85% chance of a 25 basis point Fed rate hike by year end. WTI crude oil rose above $94 on Wednesday, extending gains for a third straight session as uncertainty around US-Iran peace talks maintained a geopolitical risk premium. Oil had previously fallen nearly 20% from its late April high, but rebounded sharply this week on short covering and oversold conditions. Unless tensions escalate significantly, however, the broader de-escalation outlook may continue to limit further gains. Gold fell below $4,450 on Wednesday, approaching last week's March low as markets expected central banks to remain more hawkish and keep interest rates higher for longer. Stronger US labor data and rising oil prices have added to inflation concerns, while uncertainty surrounding US-Iran negotiations continues to pressure sentiment. Although gold is often viewed as an inflation hedge, higher rates reduce its appeal as a non-yielding asset. The Japanese yen weakened toward 160 on Wednesday, approaching levels that previously triggered official intervention. Japan's finance minister warned that authorities remain ready to respond to excessive currency volatility. Despite spending 11.7 trillion yen on intervention between late April and late May, the yen remains under pressure. Markets are now watching for further policy signals from Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda. The euro held near 1.16 as investors assessed stronger Eurozone inflation data and ongoing Middle East tensions. Headline inflation rose to 3.2% in May, while core and services inflation also accelerated, suggesting that price pressures are spreading beyond energy. Markets now see a 95% chance of a 25 basis point ECB rate hike next week, with expectations for 2 or possibly 3 increases this year.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.